So the G chord, we're going to be using 3 fingers, okay, 3 fingers, and looking at the diagram again, you'll see that the 4th finger is at the 3rd fret of the E string, or string 1. The 3rd finger is on the opposite string, same fret. The 2nd finger is on the 2nd fret of the A string, the 5th string. Once you have that, be brave, you can strum this like this. And that's it. Now, maybe your first attempt will not be fantastic, but with time, you'll be fine. I want you to strum along with me. Okay, I'm going to give you a count of 4, and then we'll strum together. So 1, 2, 3, 4.